Hey guys, welcome back to Tool Story. In this video I will show you the Brodit phone holder system. I installed two Pro clips. One is here and the other one is right there. There are bunch of cars supported. You need to go to Brodit's official website and enter your car make and model, and you will find your supported Pro clip. In this case I installed one to the left and one to the middle console. So you can see here an adapter plate which is like shown in this shape. That's great because of this active phone holder won't interfere with these these control arms. So I also installed the active phone holder right there with USB-C. It is a special USB-C cable which is very thin, and you can order it with Lightning port if you have an older iPhone which doesn't come with USB-C port. You can just replace it if you want, and you can also set it up. This is a universal one which has two screws. You need to undo them and you can set the white and then screw them and it's set up. So I plugged this cable and routed it through there to my dashboard, and it's plugged right there. Each time when I put my phone in here, it starts charging it. So I can use wireless Android Auto and charge my phone at the same time. That's great. First I had it installed to the middle console right there, but I had issues with my radio. It's not charging. It's or to say it's almost not charging the phone. I have here a USB A dashboard adapter which is connected to the radio to use wired Android Auto, but thanks to the latest update from Extrons for the TMA105S, I can use it wirelessly. So in this case I prefer charging my phone and using wireless Android Auto with the TMA105S, which is going to be replaced soon by an Ionon Android head unit specific for the Ford Transit models from 2006 or 2000 to 2013, I think. But more information will come soon when I have the Android head unit and start reviewing it. So in the middle section I installed my Brodit Cup Holder. This one is really great. I have an Opel Zafira B which doesn't come with various of cup holders. There's only one cup holder which is used for other stuffs, and here this Brodit phone holder was very helpful to have another cup holder which I can actively use. And now I switched to my Ford Transit Tourneo and installed it right there, because of if I want to grab my drink that's too wide, too far away, and driving, holding the steering wheel and putting this back there is a pain. So I can just grab it. Let me grab this bottle, for instance. I can just put in there and grab it and use it, or to say I can drink it. So you can also use this for any drink which does fit in here, like coffee or Coke, or in this case these half-liter bottles And yeah, that's a great addition. And you can also see here an adapter plate. That's great because of this would interfere with the radio, so in this case it doesn't because of the adapter plate, and I have enough space here, so no trouble at all. It works great and I will use them actively. My first thought was to put the phone holder, which was here, to use this table. This table comes with these holes, and if you want to fit something in here, it will fall down. So you can basically put there a Coke from McDonald's, for instance, or for coffee from Starbucks, which has this specific shape and won't fall down. For drinks like this half-liter bottle, you cannot use this table. So it's a great addition to my Ford Transit MK7 that I have here, a cup holder for my drink, and another one here, and a third one here, and the passenger side also have one there, and this 1.5 liter bottle holder. So that's a great addition, and I'm happy with it. So definitely check the website of Brodit, and check if your car model and make is supported, which I think is supported because of I checked various cars from Europe, from Asia, and from US, and they were all in the list, and at least there is one ProClip which is supported. For my car I have 3 supported brackets, one for here, or 4, one for here, one there, another one for here. There's also a 4th one which fits here, so you can use the cigarette holder, cigarette port. And yeah, that's it for now. See you soon. Have a nice, great day.